away the death curse. But the good fairy said, the evil fairy course I cannot reverse, but I can make it such the girl, Lala.
Sila na si Kako.
Pero bibit ko.
Instead, she'll lie in deep inside.
Ay, meron ka dyan! May lala dyan! Ay, very good! Ikaw yung princess?
Yeah.
Wow!
Up, lala. Nagigil din, lala.
That's why the fairy promise. The Lala is still older, the oldest spindles in the kingdom.
Nalang kinuha sa lahat ng rakro.
Wala na! Niloloko ka na? Ay,
Kingdom, okay, that's right. Years went by and by
Ayan,
Rose
diyan ka.
grew up beautiful.
wow!
Up, lala. Lala ang yun.
By Rose grew up beautiful Lala and Bertus. When they lived in birthday
Lala.
around, nobody remembered the cruel fairy Lala course any longer. Lala! The Lala! Uy! Oh, Lala!
Wow, may lala!
Her parents were away from the castle, and the Lala looked for an activity to accompany herself. Wow, Lala!
Yes! Wow!
Suddenly,